This jump demonstration shows how to analyze data from a simple gauge study. We'll use the 3 factors cross data from the sample data library. Each operator measured each part on each instrument twice. A possible statistical model is the fully crossed random effects model. Let's begin by going to Analyze, Quality and Process, Measurement Systems Analysis. New Y is the response variable. I'll put part in the part role, and then operator and instrument in the X grouping role. Next, I'll ensure standard deviation is selected for the chart dispersion type, and that crossed is selected for the model type. Then I'll click OK. The average chart displays the average of the repeated measurements for each operator, instrument, part. The width of the limits is based on the repeatability of the measurement system. You want to see points outside of the limits on this chart. There are some operator-instrument combinations for which all the averages are not variable. You can see which combination's better by dragging instrument over operator. All of instrument 2's averages show low variability. The repeatability standard deviation is low for instrument 2 as well. I'll drag instrument back to the middle. From the red triangle, I'll select EMP results to see the statistical summary of the data. About a third of the variability in the data is coming from the parts. If the bias between instruments and operators and the interaction between all 3 factors was removed, about half the variability would come from parts. It's clear from the graphs and ICC that this measurement system needs improvement. Finally, I'll click the red triangle and ask for the variance components. Repeatability and the instrument by part interaction effects are the largest components of variance due to the measurement system, that is, not due to the parts themselves.